Welcome to the Most Hub, your ultimate guide to the most luxurious and expensive things in the world. And today we're exploring the 5 most expensive islands in the world. These islands are not just exclusive and breathtakingly beautiful, but they're also home to some of the most luxurious properties and amenities you can imagine. We'll be taking you on a journey to some of the most remote and stunning locations on the planet, where only the wealthiest can afford to own their own slice of paradise. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a tour to some of the most exclusive and expensive islands in the world. So let's get started with our 5th island on the list, Bird Cay Island in the Bahamas. This island is the ultimate definition of luxury and exclusivity. It's currently listed for a sale at a whopping $28 million. And trust me when I say this is not your average deserted island. This island has it all. Pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise water, and a luxurious villa that can accommodate up to 16 guests in 8 beautifully decorated rooms. But wait, there's more. The villa also features a state-of-the-art kitchen equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, a home theater, and a private dock that can accommodate yachts up to 110 feet in length. And did I mention the infinity pool overlooking the ocean? Yeah, this is the definition of living your best life. And here's a fun fact. Bird Cay Island has been owned by the same family for generations. Can you imagine growing up on your own private island? It's like a real-life version of the Swiss Family Robinson, except with way more luxury and no need to build your own shelter. But here's the thing. Owning an island like this is not just a status symbol or a place to escape for a vacation. It's also a smart investment. Islands like this are rare and not only become more valuable over time, making them a great addition to any investment portfolio. Next up, we're headed to the beautiful country of Greece to check out the 4th spot on our list, the Omfori Island, which is currently on the market for a whopping $60 million. This island is the epitome of luxury, with stunning views of the Aegean Sea and a private beach that will leave you speechless. The island spans over 445 acres and features a main house with 6 bedrooms, a fully equipped gym, and a helipad for those who prefer to arrive in style. But that's not all. There are also 4 separate guest houses, each with their own unique charm and breathtaking views of the sea. And if you're looking for a little adventure, the island also has a tennis court, a basketball court, and even a mini golf course. But what sets the Omfori Island apart from the rest of the rich history? It's been owned by the same family for over a century, and the main house is a stunning example of traditional Greek architecture, with modern touches of course. It's a truly one-of-a-kind property that seamlessly blends tradition and luxury. And let's not forget that owning an island like this is not just a status symbol but also a smart investment. Greece has become a hotspot for luxury tourism, and owning an exclusive property like this on a private island is sure to attract high-end clients looking for a luxurious experience. Now it's time to head to Mexico to check out the stunning Macapule Island, which is currently on the market for $95 million. The Macapule Island is located in the Sea of Cortez, just off the coast of Mexico's Sonora state. It spans over 520 acres and boasts miles of pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and breathtaking landscapes that will leave you in the awe of the island. But what really sets the Macapule Island apart is its exclusivity. The island is completely private, ensuring that its owners can enjoy the ultimate luxury and privacy that only an island like this can offer. The property features multiple residences, including a stunning main house with 6 bedrooms, a pool, a tennis court, and a private dock. But the real magic of the Macapule Island lies in its natural beauty. The island is home to a wide range of plants and animal species. The island is a true paradise for nature lovers, offering endless opportunities for hiking, bird watching, fishing, and snorkeling. With the rise of luxury tourism in Mexico, owning an exclusive property like this island is not just a dream come true, but also a smart investment that is sure to yield high returns. Coming in at a cool $100 million is Necker Island in the British Virginia Islands. Owned by none other than Sir Richard Branson, Necker Island is a true paradise for the rich and famous. The island spans over 74 acres and boasts a stunning array of luxury accommodations, including private villas, a great house, and even a luxurious Bali High complex. This island can accommodate up to 34 guests at a time, making it the perfect destination for an exclusive getaway with friends and family. But the Necker Island is more than just a luxurious vacation spot. It's also a hub for adventure and relaxation, offering a wide range of activities to suit every taste. Guests can enjoy everything from snorkeling to kayaking, to tennis and beach volleyball. And for those looking to truly unwind, the island features a world-class spa that offers a range of treatments to rejuvenate both body and mind. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the Necker Island is the commitment to sustainability. The island is completely powered by renewable energy sources and is home to a wide range of endemic and endangered species, making it a true eco-paradise. And now, coming in at a staggering $610 million, the Lanai Island in Hawaii. It is officially the most expensive island in the world. It was formerly known as the Pineapple Island. The Lanai Island is located in the heart of the Pacific Ocean and spans over 140 square miles. In 2012, tech billionaire Larry Ellison purchased 98% of the island from the Castle and Cookie Company, making him the sole owner of this tropical paradise. With its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and breathtaking landscape, Lanai Island is truly a paradise on earth. The island boasts a wide range of luxurious accommodations, including the world-famous Four Seasons Resort and the historic Hotel Lanai. Guests can enjoy a range of activities including golfing, hiking, snorkeling, and whale watching. But what truly sets this island apart is its commitment to sustainability. The island has been transformed into a model for sustainable living, with initiatives aimed at conserving water, reducing waste, and preserving the island's natural beauty. From organic farming to renewable energy, Lanai Island is leading the way to ecotourism. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 most expensive islands in the world. We hope you enjoyed this tour of some of the most beautiful and luxurious properties on earth. Which island did you find the most fascinating? Was it the beautiful Bird Cay Island, the historic Necker Island, or the eco-friendly Lanai Island? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'll be back soon with more exciting content on the world's most luxurious properties. Thanks for watching.